Trifecta's Restoration Project Manager certification is designed to establish credentials for those individuals working as a project manager in the construction and restoration industry. Our project manager certifications demonstrates to employers, customers, and colleagues that you possess the knowledge, experience, and skills to successfully complete their project and deliver their home better than it was before. The course is eligible for new or seasoned project managers, general managers and owners, project managers looking for professional development, project coordinators looking for promotion, and individuals looking to work in the restoration industry. To become an industry-certified restoration project manager, you must complete Trifecta's 48-hour curriculum consisting of following training courses, workshops, and practical application testing. Each course is designed to stand alone, so you can level up the skills you need most now. Typical length of completing this course is 6 to 9 months. Enroll today in Trifecta's Restoration Project Manager certification, and be sure to check out other trainings to optimize your skills.